All right, guys, so now I'm going to throw you a curveball. So this is exactly the same in every way, except now it's positive, which means we need to remember something from earlier in the unit, like before this last PC, about stuff. Okay, so there's a 0. We know we need to multiply to a 0, so we multiply the first and last. We just get 16x squared. Perfect. Okay. What are two numbers that add to 16, but add to 0 but multiply to 16? So you guys are automatically going to go 4x and 4x. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now you can't change one to negative. That's not going to work. How can we make it so these two 4's multiply together but give me negative 16, but they both stay positive? Some of you have already thought of it. Some of you haven't. What if I do this? So if we do 4i times 4i, that would get me 16i squared. Well, if you remember, I squared just makes that a negative 16. That's kind of cool. So now we could make this a positive and negative for I, which if it was a negative 16 to begin with, that would make it the positive 16 that we need it to be. And we get the 0 that we wanted. Perfect. If you didn't catch that, please ask me in an email or chat or something. Like, seriously. So then we can go about our daily lives. So we have 16x squared, we have the positive 1, and then we have a 4ix, and we have a negative 4ix. This is where life gets fun. Okay, the first part's really easy because we've got 16x squared and 4i. Perfect. Looks beautiful. We just pull out the 4. So we have 4x, and then this one's the same. We just pull out 4x. Beautiful. Now 4ix, that's going to be a little different because what does 4ix and 1 have in common? I'll give you a hint. If we take negative I times I, do we get positive 1? Yeah. So then our answer is 4x plus I, 4x minus I. There's our answer. Isn't that pretty? Some of you are like, no, too bad. You're going to do it anyway. Okay, right here. Big hint. Pull out your greatest common factor first. Then it will factor down and you will have an I in your answer. Okay? This is the last problem of today. Then please do the recap. And next time, we are taking PC number 3. And then in 3 times, and sometime after that, we're going to be taking PC number 4. And that is the big one. That's the one that's going to be 60% of your unit score. So please study. I love you. You've got this.